I think you are searching about waterproof tool bags, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality, waterproof tool bags? Need free shipping, waterproof tool bags? Looking for EVA molded, base waterproof tool bags? Looking for waterproof tool bags, having lock, hole design? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best waterproof tool bags. Number 1. WORKPRO waterproof tool bags, and the feature is material, polyester. Feature, adjustable strap, ideal for carrying hand tools, top zipped wide open mouth, outer mesh pocket. Type, bag. Function, tool bag, waterproof bag, tools storage. Size, 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches. Let's go for number 2. YZL waterproof tool bags, and the feature is material, Oxford cloth. Model number, YZL 8914. Handle, plastic handle. Feature, no rusting or side slip, large space, lock hole design. Size, 13 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches. Let's go for number 3, WORKPRO 37 pockets, waterproof tool bag, and the feature is material, polyester, same grade as military gear. EVA molded base, protects contents, and allows backpack to stand up. Size, 50 cm into 24 cm, into 37 cm. Feature, large front pocket, easily fits fish tapes, wide opening fits power tools, hand tools, flashlights, etc. Use, back storage bay for laptop, tablet and business accessories.